Howdy friends, today's unboxing Amazon product headphone jack. This is the complete unboxing for renew item. This mean refurbished product. And, the Flipkart is togood.com like this. Amazon in the Amazon platform is new renew. Renew is mean refurbished product. If somebody buy and give not good like this, the product will be returned and go again testing anything, again repackage and price will be down. Sony C400 day. This is my purchase on Amazon. The Sony headphone. Just unboxing. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing, check in the top I button, have more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, please share this video. Just unbox. Product, this is very nice. The price only 1450 because actually its real price is MRP price is 399. Check here, 3990 rupees. This is first experience to buy on Amazon to renew product. Actually before I buy only the Flipkart togood.com. Togood.com also good. Just check the Amazon what happen. Package everything good. The pack I get original. Packing very hard because very tough to pack. Be careful, remove this one. You will not need to reduce scratches, the damage. If you have anything problem, come again to a return. This is your headphone. Packing everything is good. This is a user manual. This USB cable, not type C. This is normal cable. Let's keep it this. This is a user manual. Auto key this one. This is the main highlight is 20 hours coming battery life. Just everything keep it there. This tower headset. What is the headset inside? This is our headset, guys. This the battery life is 20 hours. Check the Sony brand. Will comfort this one. The branded Sony headphone set. I don't know quality what. I'll check it quality. After I give next review to this one watch. Battery life, everything I'll check. Sound quality, everything check. Next video I'll give you the review. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing, check in the top I button, have more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Okay guys, bye and share.